Hello and welcome in. This is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio, and what I've got for you today is such an amazing delight for our health concerns, such as calcium deficiency or immunity. Here is a beautiful blend of Amazonite and calcite. Well, these are not only for our health benefits. Amazonite is known to heal our throat chakra balance, our emotions. This is said to be one of the crystals which was preferred by Amazon warriors. In yellow calcite is said to bring alive new power in your metabolism, giving boost to your immunity, and it is also said that both of them are great for people who have calcium deficiency. Amazonite also is said to do a lot of skin benefits, and this has come together into a beautiful little piece that we've just made yesterday. What more do I have here is an amazingly beautiful aquamarine. It has beautiful gloss and sheen over it. It's not looking the same on the video. However, this is an amazing quality of aquamarine. Aquamarine is a water element crystal. It is said to do away with all the negativity, filling in positive vibes. It also is great for people who work with angels, archangels, different realms, because it helps you with your ascension, making it nice, fast, and very, very enriching. So, here is beautiful aquamarine. What else have I got? Is fluoride. These are multi-fluoride and some of them are green fluoride pieces. Fluoride, you can energize your water as you put these pieces into it. People who are into creative endeavors, fluoride brings about creativity in the most beautiful way. Apart from that, it removes negativity, balances out your chakras, and is an amazing crystal to have. Every week I have water energized by a piece of multifluoride to bring about new ideas and keep my creativity thriving. In here I have few amazing pieces of Angelite. Now, people who already work with angels have at least one piece of this, because Angelite not only brings you to establish a deeper connect with your guardian angels, archangels, it also opens you up to go ahead and set new connections with beings of love and light in different directions, different dimensions. So, this can be kept on your altar around your candle or your diyas, or this can also be kept in a pocket. Wherever you sleep, you can keep it next to you and let it work its magic and let it set a deep connection for you. If you had more questions regarding these, please feel free to get in touch with me, and I'll be more than happy to let you know about how these help. So, what we have really looked at today is a beautiful and amazing mix of Amazonite and calcite bracelet that can be worn by students, by people who or kids who have calcium deficiency or who are looking at boosting immunity. Beautiful aquamarine multi-fluoride pieces to bring about creativity or boost creativity, and Angelite. These pieces are currently available with us, so if you wanted to go ahead and order these and receive an offer, do not miss out. These are one of must have pieces, and if you wanted to know more, I'll be happy to help. Thank you.